Today we will be discussing a very special topic and especially valuable for the ladies in any age. When I say to you something about hair fall solutions, you should be listening to that issue properly and responding to that issue in time, because what I'm talking about is hair fall problems can cause many other issues in young ladies or like ladies at any age. When we are discussing female hair losses, we should be discussing each and every problem. It could be a very big problem in young ladies as they start losing hair at the age of 18, 19 or 20 even. That age is a very valuable age for them, because they are in certain stages when they have to be in university or colleges, or they have to face the friends everywhere and teachers, or you can say they are having more social issues. Whenever they lose hair at this age, what they're gonna feel is, in some cases, like not in every woman or in every lady at any age, in some cases it causes a severe depression in some of the ladies. And what would be happening to them is they will go into depression. They will go into that will interfere with the immune system, and they will lose immunity. And what would be happening to them is they are going in an other problem. It will be triggering an other problem, which is alopecia areata. What I do with them is I push them to the physical activity. I encourage them to fight with that problem with the physical activities, with the good diet, to keep them like in other activities, some sporting activities, some running, walk, cycling, everything. This can help to bring them out of that acute depression phase. So whenever you start losing hair, might be it is because of only anemia, or because of sleep losses or hormonal disturbances or anything else. If my point is, you should be going to the doctor in very early stage to counteract these medical issues instead of bringing them into a big problem for you, and which will be obviously very dangerous in the later stages. Because what I do is I help the ladies to come out of these things without any antidepressant or anti-anxiety treatments. And again, I will tell you what would be the option for you to go to the exercises, to go to the physical activity, and other option will be to go to the psychiatrist, which is very dangerous. Again, when you start taking antidepressant medicines, then there is no limit. You can go today you are taking one anxiolytic tablet and one antidepressant, and tomorrow what happens is nobody knows. What would be dose of that medicine, might be it is increased or might be, but start fighting with the problems. This is best thing to do at any stage. So whenever you are having hair fall issues, this is very mild or little issue for you. When you come to the doctor, and he will be treating you in the initial stages, in the early stages of hair fall, with some little medicine or some exercises, some minoxidil spray or some PRP or some or might be he is asking you to avoid hot showers, might be he is asking you to avoid hot blows to the hair. So it could be solved very easily in the early days of hair fall. But when it comes a problem for you, then it comes a real problem for the doctor as well to treat you and to bring you out of that scenario. it is not easy for him and will never be easy for you as well. So please be clear, when you are feeling hair fall, you should be contacting your treating physician, and who is the right physician or right doctor for you, that is hair restoration doctor. And you can find them from different websites, as I told you, like ABHRS website can help you out, and HRSP website can help you out in Pakistan. Thank you very much, and see you in next video. Thank you.